Here's how to avoid packing mistakes with my 10 ultimate how to pack tips. Number 1, declutter as soon as possible. Keep a bin or donation box right with you at all times while you're packing. Number 2, do not use flimsy packing materials. You will regret this. Use the good stuff, like quality moving boxes and all the things that you have lying around your house, like thick towels and blankets. Good quality packing boxes are worth the extra bit of money, and you can always resell them after you've moved on places like Gumtree and Facebook Marketplace. Number 3, avoid at all costs half-packed homes. Everyone underestimates how long it will take to pack your house by about half. Make sure you dedicate enough time to pack your house. For smaller homes, it might take a few days, but for a 5-bedroom house, it could be a week at 6 hours a day of packing if you're doing it yourself. So start packing early. Number 4, create a portable packing kit. Having all your packing supplies in one easy to move container will make the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Better still, create a couple for all those that are going to be helping you. Number 5, forget the overcomplicated color-coded spreadsheet. Simply label your boxes with markers or easy-to-read stickers. You don't want to waste your time deciphering a complex system on moving day. Number 6, use garbage bags to pack up all your clothes with the coat hangers still on. Opt for clear garbage bags if you can, over using black ones, because black ones have known to be tossed out with the rubbish. Number 7, don't procrastinate. In the weeks before a move, tackle the items that you're not going to need anytime soon. So think out of season clothing, board games, and stuff like that. The sooner you start, the smoother the packing process will be. Number 8, pack an essential basket or box for moving day. This is for the must-have items that you'll need straight away. Think snacks, toiletries, toilet paper, hand wash. Number 9, don't pack all your clothes away just yet. Pack a suitcase for each person in your family with enough clothes in it for 3 or 4 days or so. It'll save rummaging around in boxes when you arrive to your new place. Number 10, snap a photo of all your cords before unplugging your electronics. It'll make piecing it back together so much easier. The ultimate packing tip is not to pack at all. And what I mean is, book professional packing services through Movable and leave the packing up to the professionals. Yes, it adds some cost to your move, but if you can afford it, it's a cost you will never regret. And there you have it. With these packing hacks, you'll be ready to tackle your packing like a pro. Keep watching. In the next video, I take you through how you can get through moving day. As always, if you loved this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the best moving hacks and tips to make your move stress-free.